Hello friends, welcome to the Power BI tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will see what is a hierarchy in Power BI matrix and how we create the hierarchy matrix into the Power BI. So in the previous tutorial, we have created the tables and the matrix as well, and we have seen the difference between the table and the matrix in the Power BI, and we have done the formatting over the tables and the matrix. So I recommend you please see part 11 and 10 before proceeding with this tutorial, because it's a continuation of the part 11. So agenda of this tutorial is to how we create the hierarchy matrix in Power BI. So for that, let's go to the Power BI desktop application. So in this application, this scenario we have created in the last tutorial. So what we have done here, we have taken a matrix, and in this matrix, in the row wise we have taken the country, and the column wise we have taken the month name. So basically, why we use this matrix over this table? Because if we don't want the repetition of this country, so like this show the data as a row wise. So that's why this matrix is much useful than the table. So now in this tutorial we will see like hierarchy over this matrix. So what I will do, in this row we will take like I will take one more field, and that field I will take like year. So just drag and drop. So once when I drag and drop this year, we can see like one plus sign is looking here. So let's fit it to side, so we can see more option given by the matrix when we use the hierarchy, and these are the like more buttons comes when we use the hierarchy. So let's understand this one first. Like once I remove this year from here, and we can see like there is no plus sign, we are not looking, but when I add it, so we can see there is a one plus sign, it comes. So basically it is a hierarchy, like it does not take much space, and what it do in the small space, it contain more information, and when we want to see that information, what we have to do, we have to click on this plus sign, and we can see like how these record is coming. So basically it tell like in 2013 this is the cell, and in 2014 this is the profit. So based on that it is showing the data. So in that way this hierarchy is very useful. So we can see here like for particular month and the year, it is showing the data based on that. So this hierarchy is very useful. And one more thing, like if we want to like in here, let's go to this here year. Now with the year, if I will go, I will take the month number also. Let's take the month number, and when I expand this one, we can see like 2013 and 14, and they also contain one more plus sign, and that is like month number 9, 10, 11, 12, in that way. So like in that way it matrix go with the hierarchy. And if we want to expand, what we can do, we can use this sign also. And what is it? Like go to the next level of this hierarchy. If I will click this, it will go to the one level of the hierarchy, we can see. And when I will click on this, we can see another level of the hierarchy, means with the month number it is showing the detail, we can see here in this manner. So in this sign or icon is used for the hierarchy level of the data. So if I want to come back, we can come back with this arrow sign. So this is the button which is used for the next level of the hierarchy. Like I want to see data for that next level only, then that is the useful. Now this time hierarchy we have done over the row. Same thing we can do for the column as well. So for that, let's take in this column, what I will do, I will take like date, I will take in the column field. So once I will take the date column in this, we can see like there is a one drop down, it is showing here like drill on row and column. So basically why it came, because this sign like level of the hierarchy, if we want to see, then at a time it is applicable either for the row or the column. That's why first we have to select like on which level of the hierarchy you want to see, like row wise or the column wise. So when I will select on the column, and when I click on this, we can see like it is showing over the year, and by default we can see like in this, because this date is drop down, so that's why it is expanded to year, quarter, month and day. So when I will go on the next level, we can see it is on the quarter wise. Then if I will go, then it will come as a month wise, we can see, because now it will come as a day wise. When I click on this, it will come on the first day. And if you want to go back, we can go with this arrow button, and we will be the first position, like where we are showing the month name. So in this way the hierarchy matrix works into the Power BI desktop application. Like we can put 4 like row and the 4 column as well. And like if we want to show the multiple data in less space, then this hierarchy matrix is very useful, which because it contains the full data. Like we are showing this much of the profit. So how this profit is coming, if any top management want to see, like top management want to see with the year wise, like in the April month, in every year how much the profit is going on. So in that scenario also we can use this hierarchy matrix into the Power BI. So it is very useful for generating the report and for generating the growth of the company. So that's it for all this hierarchy matrix. If you have any question or doubt, please comment. Thank you.